Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to remove or log out of your Gmail account from another device. This is a great way to ensure your account stays secure, especially if you've logged in on a public or shared device. Let's get started. First, open your Gmail account on your device. You can do this either on a computer or a smartphone. Now, navigate to Google homepage. Click on the profile icon in the top right corner. Now, select Manage your Google account. In the Google account page, click on Security. Now, scroll down to the Your Device section and click on Manage Device. Here you'll see a list of all the devices that are currently signed into your Google account. Now tap on any device that you want to log out. Simply select on it and click on Sign Out. And that's it, you've successfully removed your Gmail account from another device. This is a simple yet effective way to keep your account secure. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.